too heavy. Mimi here. Hi. So the pharmacist walks in his store and he finds a guy leaning against the wall. So he says to the new file clerk, he said, "Hey, what's with that guy over there leaning on the wall?" The clerk says, "Well, he came in here this morning to get something for his cough. I couldn't find the cough syrup, so I gave him a whole bottle of laxative." The pharmacist yells, "You idiot! You can't treat a cough with laxative." The new clerk says, "Sure you can. Look at him. He's afraid to cough." Bye.